In this video, we're going to be walking through how to use a chalk line, and this is for something that you do when you need a very straight line between 2 points. And in my case, I'm cutting some 4x8s right here. And when you want to get really long straight cuts like that, chalk is your best friend. And I'll show you how I do it. In addition to the chalk line, something else that'll help you out a lot is these, if you have nails, ideally really skinny little ones like this. I have some, very tiny ones like this. I'll show you how I use, and basically that'll hold it on one end, and then I'll just walk you guys through this. Okay, and so what I just did is I marked out where my cut line is going to be. So I wanted 19 3/4 on both sides. If you had a weird shape and you wanted it to be kind of trapezoidal, you could obviously have different measurements, but in my case, we're keeping this pretty straight. And then on this side, again, just took a little nail right here and got it in here. And so now if we come to our chalk line, I'm gonna have to do this with the camera mounted. Basically, these chalk lines have these little things right here, and that guy's gonna hook onto that just like this. So when I start unspooling this thing, it'll keep that line taut, and I'll come over here, and then when we flick it, it'll lay down nice on us. So stay tuned. So the other thing you do is you hold it with your thumb right here just to give it a little bit of tension. I'm going to move the string right onto the mark where I want it. I'm just going to hold it here, and then with your other hand, just pull up on it. And do that. Do it a second time if you want. Now lift up on it. And I'll start retracting it. Okay, and you can see how the chalk line turned out. It gets a little fuzzy in some areas, especially where when I initially start pulling it out, a lot of it kind of spills out. So if you blow on it, you can kind of make some of it go away. But yeah, and then the last little bit here, what I do is I come in with my hammer, and then I just remove that nail, and I'm gonna use a quick square like this. And I'll just finish off this mark here. Just let our saw knows where to go. Yeah. So I've got our line marks. Now I can run through this and get this cut. So hope this is helpful stuff. Thanks for watching, and be well.